Are you looking for the best air sandblaster? In this video, we will break down the top 4 air sandblasters on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Lematec Portable Sandblaster Gun Kit. This device allows you to remove various types of dirt. The list includes paint, multiple stains, traces of rust, and corrosion. The device is based on durable abrasive media and provides high-quality performance as if you were using professional tools. This sandblaster is practical and comfortable enough to use, even for those who have picked up such a tool for the first time. Due to its lightness and basic design, this tool is very user-friendly. The sandblaster supports all kinds of explosive devices, including walnut shells, steel chips, silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, and glass beads. Managing and charging compounds is also easy on your part. And the 10-foot hose does not restrain your movements when working. There are different sizes of nozzles in the kit to cover any requirement. It is also compatible with most typical air compressor systems. You can easily connect the blast kit to the device. The tool's productivity is high, and one of the main advantages is that it is easy to clean after use. At number 2. Campbell Hausfeld AT122601 One-Off Sandblaster. This Campbell Hausfeld can easily draw a wide selection of abrasive media from a bucket or container, with the end result a satin finish that acts as the perfect prep for painting for further pre-treatment. The siphon feed Campbell Hausfeld works with the most commonly used abrasives, including glass beads, aluminum oxide, steel grit, silicon carbide, walnut shells and more. The Campbell Hausfeld comes with a hose, ceramic nozzle, steel pickup tube and Allen wrench. The Campbell Hausfeld is a great option for craft and hobby work, with the sandblaster able to etch both glass and wood. At number 3. Shop Fox M1114 Benchtop Sandblaster. This sandblaster has 16-inch wide access doors on both sides that make for convenient insertion and placement of whatever equipment you are working on, even if it is somewhat heavy. You can easily remove rust, corrosion, paint, chips, and other imperfections. For such a small object, the model has a reasonably high speed. Its overall construction seems robust, too, so it should last for quite a while. This model 60 to 100 psi heavy-duty benchtop sandblast cabinet with transformer. There is also a stable block here that handles different pressure levels well. But it is best to use a value between 60 and 100 pounds per square inch. At number 4. Performance Tool M549 Portable Abrasive Blaster Kit. The maximum instrument capacity is 50 pounds. It is designed for harsh environments. The aluminum construction is relatively stable, and the best pressure level is 90 pounds per square inch. Moving the kit shouldn't bother you, as it's portable. No special maintenance is required. Remove rust, paint, graffiti, corrosion and scale. Heavy-duty 50 pounds capacity hopper, aluminum blast gun and 15 material hose. Compatible with any abrasive, silica, sand, glass beads, and pecan shells. Operating pressure, 90 pounds per square inch. Minimum air requirement 3.5 cfm at 50 pounds per square inch.